Today we are at the McLean Farmers Market. This is the very first day, opening day. It's exciting. People have just been waiting to come back to the markets, and all the vendors are here, and we're all ready for our customers. Come on over.
We are very excited the market is back open. It is our main source of revenue for the year. We are a Virginia-based farm. We've been around for over 30 years, and we only sell to our own local Virginia customers. So being open is very important to us.
We love to see our customers. We try our best to provide everything for them. Nothing better than having fresh produce for them. So we like for them to come out and support not only us, but all the other vendors that are here locally at the farmers market as well.
There are so many people that attend this market that look forward to it every week to get locally grown produce. These vendors depend on these markets to support their businesses that are in rural areas, and I think it also helps strengthen their ability to provide locally grown produce to places in Fairfax County.
We still have all the COVID guidelines that we had last year, but the only difference is this year masks are mandatory. So please, when you come to the market, bring your mask. If you find you forgot it, don't worry. We do have some disposable masks that we can offer to customers. So that also means social distancing. We do have a one-way here, so everyone follows the arrows. That helps ensure the social distancing. And also just 1 or 2 people at the booth at a time. The Park Authority has 10 farmers markets throughout Fairfax County, and they are on different days of the week, Wednesday through Sunday. And you can go to our website to find out the times and the locations at fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/farmers markets.